I'm talking in my book a lot about the persona-based limbic selling. What I mean with that is a really huge word, but what I mean with that is we all love stories. We all love, if you look at the movies, we all watch movies, and we like the hero coming up and first falling down and then, you know, like a rebirth and doing something great. We love that kind of storytelling. So we should use our demos in a similar way. We should start with, and I call it a picture pitch, where you have very visualized selling approach with a lot of pictures. And we all hate these presentations where you have a company view, overview at the start, 10,000 lines on one page, and everybody starts reading and not really listening what you have to say. So my recommendation is really less is more. Again, I call it the picture pitch, and you can read more about that in the book, which is really very visualized every 6 to 8 seconds, a new slide, which brings your attention on the slide and on your voice, so to say, to bring over the messaging, to tell the story. And again, a story shouldn't be boring. It should start not with a company overview. It should start with, out of the discovery, maybe the 3 main topics I have, it should take this one and say, hey, these are the challenges and this is how we solve it. And then to break it down a little bit more, we have this persona-based selling, which means you have often in your audience different personas with different backgrounds, with different pain points, so to say. And if you make it in a logical, let's say, order, and you have maybe on a slide 4 personas, and these 4 personas have different pain points and challenges, and you jump into each persona, and then you have this classical tell, show, tell approach. So you tell, hey, this is the persona we are jumping in now, this is the problem, this is how we solve it. Then you show it in the system, and then you bring the value story. What is the value? Or you say, hey, by the way, a client of ours, this persona has solved it in the same way, to mix in a little bit the client testimonials and things like that. So that's how we pitch from our company words, and this is also written, so to say, in the book, and gives some more insights how you make a great demo.